Concluding the logistic regression. In this session we started why do we need logistic regression despite having linear regression available. We found out that if our outcome is binary or class based, we might need different kind of fitting criteria. We learned what would be the best fit criteria for our model, what is the goodness of fit for logistic regression. We covered confusion metrics and accuracy model, and then we also covered AIC and BIC values. So looking at this whole session, logistic regression is the base of all classification algorithm. A good understanding of logistic regression and goodness of fit measures of logistic regression will allow us to understand more complex machine learning algorithm, which are classification algorithm like neural network and SVMs. So while building models, we need to be careful while selecting the model, because all the goodness of fit measures like confusion metrics, accuracy, and AIC and BIC values that we used were only based on the training data. We may have to do cross validation to get an idea on the test error and to understand in the future how good our model is going to work. That we will learn in our fourth session in our course. But so far, congratulations on completing logistic regression. Feel free to look around, find more data and work on logistic regression models in different parts.